Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. Today I want to tell you differences between two lenses. So this is standard lens that is used for laser engraving, and this is G2 lens. The key difference between these two lenses is that G2 is a short focal lens that has a focal range about, well, it's pretty dark, from 2 to 10 millimeters, and this has focal length from 20 millimeters to 100 millimeters, so it's different focal range. Okay, let's install this lens. It's getting dark here, like do our job at night. We install this lens and connect it to screw in a laser. It's not that difficult. When we ship, it's all there. And now we are going to show you how to get the proper and correct focus. So as you can see, it's not focused at all, and this is a weak light. We use a pen box to make it focus. And now we are going to screw to different directions to make sure that the spot is very, very small. So it's supposedly we got this focus. Okay, as you can see, this is a minimum dot, and the focal range from the table number is showing, well, it's about like 8 centimeters, so it's like 3 inches. So this is the best focal range when you want to focus regular standard lens installed on endurance lasers. Right now I'm going to show you how to find the focal range for G2 lens. So G2 is really good lens for laser cutting. Well, we don't use it for laser engraving because it gets really powerful, because it has only one lens inside and regular has 3 lenses, so the loss of power is less, and also we do not lose power because of the range. So you can see it down here that is really small. You can see it's really small. When it's unfocused, it's a big messy spot. When it's focused, you can see it's a small dot, very small. The minimum size of the dot is 0.1 millimeter, that is equal to 300 dpi, so it's pretty much the same as when you have a stepper motor moving. So we try to install it like I said here. Well, right now it looks like it is a small, it's really small, probably like 2, 3, maybe 4 millimeters. How many millimeters? Сколько? 10. Yeah, Boris says that it's about 10 millimeters.
10.5.
So make sure that when you get the focal range for G2, it's very close to your surface, and well, you'll need some time and experience and training to become a professional guy who can get this focal range and make settings correct. So if you have any questions or you have difficulties with getting it focused, please email us or find me in WhatsApp, Viber, Telegram. I'm always happy to support or write comments under this video. Please share this video with your friends and hope that you'll become our customer. Have a nice engraving. Bye bye.